Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade raw milk yogurt using the Luvele Pure Plus yogurt maker. Today I'm going to use the Made by Cow raw milk, which is currently Australia's only legal retail raw milk available. You can find it in your supermarkets or local health food store. It has all the benefits of raw, unhomogenized, unpasteurized milk, the cold pressed pressure technology that treats the milk, gets rid of any nasty bacteria, making it safe for you to consume. We're going to make it even better today by adding our probiotics and fermenting it for 24 hours, turning it into an awesome gut healing product. This raw milk yogurt is so easy to make, just a couple of steps, so let's get started. What I'm going to do first is give our 750 ml bottle of milk a shake. It has a layer of cream on top, so I'm just making sure that that's all evenly dispersed through the bottle. Now you can add the milk straight into your sterilized yogurt container. You'll notice that we're not preheating our milk for this yogurt like we might do with other yogurts. That's because we want to keep all of the raw milk goodness intact. Now all you need to do is add your probiotic yogurt starter. Today we're going to use one 5-gram sachet of the Yo Gourmet yogurt starter. Give it a really good mix with a sterilized whisk, then you can pop the lid back on and put it straight into the yogurt maker. Fill up the water bath up to the tall line indicator and put the lid on. Our time and temperature settings for this one are 38 degrees and 24 hours. Make sure you hit confirm and you can walk away and let the machine do its job. This raw milk yogurt is going to be loaded with probiotics, enzymes, and vitamins. The extra long fermentation time is going to make sure that it's really good on the gut as well. Once it's finished, put it in the fridge to set for around 6 hours, and then you can enjoy all of the benefits of your homemade raw milk yogurt. So that's how simple it is to make your own homemade raw milk yogurt using the Luvele Pure Plus yogurt maker. Make sure you give this one a try at home and let us know in the comments below how you go. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, we'll catch you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.